Since about 2019, there's been a recipe floating around on the internet for the ultimate Mai Tai. I've been very curious about this cocktail because to call anything the ultimate of anything is pretty insane. So in this video, we're going to make the cocktail. We're going to taste the cocktail. We're going to see that if we ordered this in a bar, would we order it again? And we're going to see if we can improve upon it. Let's go. So this recipe comes to us from a buddy of mine named Kevin Crossman. He has a blog called The Ultimate Mai Tai, where he has traveled across the country to taste Mai Tais. This guy knows what a Mai Tai is supposed to taste like. Let's see if his version is indeed the ultimate Mai Tai. This cocktail follows the 1944 Trader Vic's Mai Tai recipe, which makes me really happy because that is the Mai Tai recipe. So Trader Vic's recipe calls for the juice of 1 lime. Over the years, we have interpreted that to mean 1 ounce of lime juice. And that is the same for Kevin's spec. And I'm gonna try to be as precise as I possibly can with this stuff because I wanna taste it just as Kevin intended. And that means even trying to use some of the same syrups, certainly all the same rums. Okay, we're gonna pour this into here. On his blog, he says 1/2 ounce of Latitude 29 Beach Bum Berry Orgeat. Now I had to order this specially. It takes a while to get to you, but I tasted this yesterday and it is shockingly good. It's floral, it's rich, it's just, dude, it's so good. Okay, we're gonna pour 1/2 ounce and I'm imagining this is probably gonna flavor the drink quite a bit. Okay, so there's 1/2 ounce of orgeat syrup. I should note that Kevin's recipe deviates from Trader Vic's with 1/2 ounce of orgeat because as per Trader Vic's recipe, it's 1/4 ounce. I just noticed that when I was gonna go pour the simple syrup. This is another place where it deviates from Trader Vic's recipe. Rather than using a rich simple syrup, Kevin opts for a Demerara sugar syrup. And just 1/4 ounce of this. This is a richer, more full-bodied sugar syrup. And that goes in there. Already, I feel like this is gonna be super tasty. Okay, the next ingredient is Pierre Ferrand's dry curacao. Now we're gonna use 1/2 ounce of this. Now, if you're making the 1944 Trader Vic's Mai Tai, the way that you can change it every time by still keeping all of the proportions the same as Trader Vic is by varying the rums. That's like the biggest way that you can really play with Trader Vic's original 1944 Trader Vic's Mai Tai recipe. And before we get into the rum blend that Kevin is requesting us to use, I wanna do something. I wanna give away 2 Hamilton Breezeway blend Mai Tai glasses. We're gonna do a random selection from the comments below. Enter your favorite Mai Tai rum, followed by 4 pound signs. You know, like the tic-tac-toe sign. Your favorite rum blend for a Mai Tai, and then 4 pound signs. Okay, state of the end, I might change that. Okay, now the rums are super simple. We're just gonna do 1/2 ounce of each. So we're gonna use a Plantation OFTD, which is an overproof rum. God, that smells good. 1/2 ounce of that, very fragrant, not sharp. Cork. Then we're gonna do 1/2 ounce of Smith and Cross. Man, look at the quality of that cork. It's like wooden. Ooh, Smith and Cross is one of those dark Jamaican rums that has a real funk to it. Okay, 1/2 ounce of Smith and Cross. Another brand new bottle that I'm gonna have to open. This is the Appleton 12. This is one of those really nice Appletons. Oh, wow. Look at how beautiful that cork is. Appleton Estate 12, says it right on there. Oh, good one. Look at this. Beautiful. 1/2 ounce of this as well. I'll tell you, just by smelling these things, none of these rums are offensive at all. And then the last rum is this Plantation Xaymaca. Wait, hold on. How do you say it? Xaymaca. What is Xaymaca? The term Xaymaca originates from the language of the Taino people, the indigenous inhabitants of Jamaica before the arrival of European colonizers. Oh. In the Taino language, Xaymaca, referred to the land of wood and water. The word was able to capture the essence of the island's lush tropical landscapes and abundant natural resources. So we're talking about picturesque landscapes, pristine beaches, cascading waterfalls. It's a overarching descriptor for all of that. And I have never, ever, ever tasted this rum. It is, it's brighter than these other ones. Okay. Half an ounce of that as well. And you know what? I'm just gonna get a little taster here too. Ooh. Ooh, it's hot and dry. Interesting. We'll see how that works with the blend of the other rums. Really interesting. Okay. Next up, we're gonna go ahead and throw some ice into here. Okay, so ice into the tin. And then here we go. This is very exciting. I've wanted to taste this for so long. All right, now it might be a good time to ask you to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the dislike button twice if you want to hit that button. But really, I do appreciate all the subscribers. It's been a fun journey for 3-4 years now. Okay. Because this is mostly a Trader Vic's spec, we're gonna use a Trader Vic's Mai Tai glass. Look at that. Perfecto. And then Kevin asks us to garnish it just as Trader Vic's would, with a spent lime shell and a healthy sprig of mint. Of course, you guys know that on the show here, we don't skimp the mint. That's a good little collection of mint right there. I cannot tell you how excited I am to taste this Mai Tai. The goal of tasting this are 3 things. First of all, how does it taste? Is it good? Second of all, if we were at a bar, would we order it again? And thirdly, could we improve upon this? And so, from Kevin Crossman and the Ultimate Mai Tai, this is the Ultimate Mai Tai. Cheers. It's complex. There's a lot of different layers kind of dancing around. It tastes thick, rich. None of the rums are offensive. You definitely taste the rum. They're not like stepping on each other, and there's nothing really jumping out ahead. I definitely taste the dryness of this thing. There's a little bit of the funk from the Smith and Cross, like way in the back. The rums aren't hiding in this cocktail at all. In fact, the lime is almost kind of like in the background, which is kind of nice because a lot of times the lime is overbearing in a Mai Tai. Maybe it's the extra 1/4 ounce of the orgeat. That is a delicious Mai Tai. If I ordered this at a bar, would I order it again? Yeah, dude, I would. This is super good. It doesn't have the super funky Jamaican notes that I think that I prefer in a Mai Tai now, but that's after years and years of having cocktails. It is certainly non-offensive, and it is absolutely a delicious cocktail. In fact, you should make this at home. You should let me know what you think about this thing in the comments below. But is there something that I could do to this to improve upon it? I got one thing. Before I do that one thing to this cocktail to make it perfect, the super ultimate, if you're interested in winning the Hamilton Breezeway blend Mai Tai glasses, enter your favorite rum blend in the comments below, followed by 5 pound signs. Okay, that'll put you in the running. I'm gonna go ahead and cut all the names out, put them in my hat, and choose the winner. Okay, now, how do we improve this already incredible cocktail? A little more ice just to get it back up to proper level here. As far as ingredients go, I think this thing tastes incredible. The only thing that I would change is I would add an orchid to designate that this is not merely a Trader Vic's 1944 Mai Tai. This is the ultimate Mai Tai. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. If you want to learn more about the Mai Tai, click one of these links here. Aloha.